Hello and welcome to India Today, and with just a few more days for the launch of Chandrayaan 3, here are more details about the mission. ISRO all geared for Chandrayaan 3 launch on 14 July from Sriharikota. The ambitious project, once successful, will make India the fourth nation to land on the moon after USA, Soviet Union and China. Mission objectives are to demonstrate safe and soft landing on lunar surface, to demonstrate rover movement on the moon, and to conduct scientific experiments on moon's surface. For Chandrayaan 3, the orbiter will contain propulsion parts and will not carry any instruments except for an important shape module, as Chandrayaan 2 orbiter is already carrying the necessary instruments. Learning from Chandrayaan 2, ISRO scientists have concentrated on increasing power capabilities of the lander and making its landing gear strong, which would help more with absorbing impact. Scientists have also increased the propulsion capacity of the lander. Chandrayaan 3 will be carried by LVM-3, carrying a payload of 3.9 ton. The mission is to land Vikram on the moon's surface and then release the rover Pragyan. The lander carries instruments to measure thermal conductivity and temperature, seismic activity, plasma density, and lunar laser ranging using passive laser retroreflector array from NASA. While the propulsion module and lander can communicate with Indian Deep Space Network, the rover can communicate by way of the lander. Rover payload comprises of alpha particle X-ray spectrometer and laser-induced breakdown spectroscope for deriving elemental composition from landing site. Mission concentrates on soft landing of Vikram at a special site and to deploy Pragyan. The propulsion module will inject the lander module 100 km into lunar circular polar orbit. GSLV Mk3 rocket will place the payload in an elliptical orbit of size 170 km to 35,600 km. ISRO has also conducted several lander tests on Earth to see the functioning of various technologies in extreme heat and cold conditions. As the Chandrayaan 2 module crash landed, lander leg performance test on lunar simulant test bed simulating different touchdown probabilities have also been conducted. Vikram and Pragyan's mission life will be 1 lunar day or 14 Earth days. The lander module comprises of lander leg, rover ramp, rover, X-band antenna, lander rover and connector protection mechanism. The lander will touch down with 2 meters per second vertical velocity and with horizontal velocity of 0.5 meters per second in a 120-degree slope angle before being vertically stabilized. The propulsion module also carries a payload which would assist with future discoveries of smaller planets in reflected light. This would help in identifying habitability or presence of life in exoplanets. This is Bidesh Pramod Madhav for India Today.